Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the Listed Word Show. We are back again after many attempts to record the recording. Uh, so, we are here with yet another video, and today we are going to talk about another tip that we have to share as a part of the little series that we are doing on sharing ideas on how to sharing tips on how to generate ideas. And today's video is going to be about Mariana. And no, today's video is not going to be about Mariana.
No,
It's
no,
going
let it be. I like that. We can do that. Certainly we can. I deserve a video phone.
absolutely. Okay. So Mariana, help us get started.
So, unfortunately, this video won't be about me, but let's go on. This one is about prompts and challenges. Um, get your ideas from writing prompts. There are millions of them available on the internet. You can Google anything.
We will
You
also
can
share,
simply Google story prompts ideas.
yes, we will share a few websites that help you find writing prompts in the description
Mm,
and hope they will prove helpful. And yes,
yeah. I know, for example, I can't recall the name now, but I'm receiving daily prompts from a specific website where they'll either give you a sentence starting with something or whatever. There's a new prompt every day. So you can never say you don't have anything to write about.
yes.
That's a brilliant way to try and, even if it's not something you're familiar with, you can actually learn something new from it and try it. Just try it.
Exactly. And this doesn't have to mean that you have to try to take all those prompts and convert it into a book.
No,
No, you can write a
no.
200 word, 500 word story for your own practice, just to help you get better at writing and just explore the different kind of genres or the different kind of styles, the different kind of characters, settings that you can explore.
On that, we also mentioned challenges. When I was doing my my writing courses, um, we had weekend challenges, and it was 100-word stories that you had to write. And what I did in the end, managed to elaborate on some of those stories and into short stories. That's not just 100 words, obviously a bit longer. And I put that into an anthology for kids, children's stories for kids. But it all started with these challenges that I did every weekend. So, and now this book with 20 short stories that I didn't have before I've
Exactly.
done the challenges.
Exactly. And that is the power of little things. You never know what you wrote, no matter how
Yeah,
insignificant, no, not insignificant, no matter how small, will prove to be helpful in the future. Because, yes. And with that, I believe this tip was very pretty much straightforward. You have to look at a few prompts,
yeah,
try writing, because also you don't have to stick to just one particular prompt. Maybe you have one
mix
prompt
them
and
up.
the second prompt, and you can blend them, mix them, come up with something new.
Yeah,
Yes,
exactly.
that's how powerful these things are.
Yes.
Thanks for watching yet another episode. Yes, Mariana, were you going to say something?
Yeah, no, I just wanted to add another thing. Um my story about Beulah the goat came
Yes.
from one of these challenges, and I
Oh,
elaborated on it, and now I have 3 books out already in the series, and it
look
came
at
from a
that.
100-word challenge.
Look at that.
Yeah,
We
so
have,
it definitely works.
yeah, we have a living example of the thing that we just discussed, and that's wonderful. Thank you for watching yet another episode of the Twisted Word Show. We hope you liked it. And these tips, actually, this one is very powerful. If you are able to mix different ideas, it
Mm,
can really create a very powerful story. And we highly
yeah.
recommend checking it out and checking out the links that we have shared in the description below. Thank you for watching. See you in
Wonderful.
the next
Thank you,
one.
everybody. Bye bye.